What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm so happy to be here to teach you how to print
glass cloth.
And as you can see, the things on table are glove, Teflon sheet, glass glove, printing paper, high heat resistant tapes, of course our printing machine A03. Before we start printing, I'm gonna tell you the printing parameters. So the first one is temperature, which is 180 Celsius degree. The time is 45 seconds. Okay, can you guys see this handle? Right now it means automatic pattern. So you guys might wonder, how do we change it to manual pattern? We just need to twist it. And we suggest you automatic pattern because it's more convenient. Besides, the pressure we are using right now are medium pressures. We suggest you medium pressure, okay? So when it's all over, we can print now. We just need to put our
glass cloth
on our lower platinum, cover with our printing paper, with some high heat resistant tapes. Okay, when it's done, we must fully cover with our Teflon sheet, okay? Close it and just wait. Okay guys, time's up. Let's check out the printing result. Before we touch it, must wear glove, okay? Can you guys see? Alright guys, the printing result is pretty good, right? And by the way, this size for cleaning our glasses.